lovely Tuesday, Tigers. Just kidding, it's actually Wednesday for you guys, and we have 52 hours until another 3-day weekend. I'm Angie Gonzalez.
And I'm Ellie, bringing you updates from ASB and the College and Career Center.
And I'm Catherine with your Tiger Sports. Like it's been for every day this trimester, here's the news and announcements
you need to know. Let's kick it off with a video from ASB. Here's a video covering everything you need to know about the upcoming beach cleanup.
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
The last beach cleanup video was such a success.
Yeah, how are we gonna top this, Mark? There was such a good turnout at the last beach cleanup.
Whatever shall we do?
Did you hear that, Mark?
I did.
I was so inspired by the last beach cleanup that now I want to help.
Well, here's your chance. Come join us on March 5th at Bismo Beach from 1 to 3:30.
There will be 2 winning teams, and each member will receive Slow HS merch and Jamba Juice gift cards. So bring your friends. The first 75 to sign up will be guaranteed a shirt.
Let's take a look at the Spirit points after Friday's rally. In 4th place, we have the freshmen with 550 points, the sophomores in 3rd with 825 points, the juniors in 2nd with 1,025 points, and the seniors in 1st place with 1,125 points. Good job, everyone.
Hey Tigers, we're filming this on a Tuesday. I've given up. I'm wearing sweatpants today. Gavin can't join us because he was reporting on a typhoon recently, and he was swept from the weather section into the obituaries.
Well, that's very unfortunate, Tyler. I'm here replacing him.
I miss him every day.
That's nice.
It's not. As you can see, the typhoon also went through the newsroom because it blew in one of our other editors, who has been nothing but negative the whole time. What?
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow's weather will be a high of 70 and a low of 40, with a 0% chance of precipitation, 46% humidity, and the wind will be blowing at 11 miles per hour.
Yeah, we were prepared for this.
Oh, for sure.
Okay. So the weather for Friday, at least according to my phone, is we're gonna have 72 degree highs with a low. So according to the weather app on my phone, the highs on Friday will be a high of 72 degrees with a low of 42 degrees. Thank you for laughing, Stella.
Oh yeah.
Over the weekend, on Saturday, there will be a high of 67 and a low of 40, with 0% chance of precipitation, 55% humidity, wind will be 12 miles per hour. And on Sunday, there will be a high of 64, a low of 40, 10% chance of precipitation, humidity will be at 58%, wind will be 15 miles per hour, and it seems as though it might be a little cloudy.
The Slow HS Young Democrats are meeting today in the lecture demo room at lunch to hear a Mary Strobridge from the Slow Dems, the one who has so graciously provided pizza to them. Come listen, learn, and discuss things all progressive and blue.
Please be sure to check out the class of 2022 Google Classroom, as scholarships are being added daily. The Slow High Scholarship newsletter is also a great place to check out newly added scholarships. Mrs. Martin is here every day and eager to assist you with your scholarship questions. Come on in at lunch or break for a chat in the College and Career office located next to the library.
Here's some open mic highlights.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back.
like to work in AP Art? Here's a video from reporter Joanna Rawlings.
Today's Studio doesn't run every year. Instead, it alternates between AP Studio 3D and 2D, and AP Ceramics is running this year. We talked to some past AP Art students and asked them some questions about how their experiences were doing the most advanced art class the school has to offer.
It was really good, honestly. It's probably my favorite class I've taken at SLO High. It was hard being on Zoom because you couldn't actually see everyone else's pieces, but it was good. It was fun being in your own environment, I guess, and doing art, but yeah.
I would really recommend it. I enjoyed it, like, even if you don't consider yourself like a huge artist, it's a really good way for you to like kind of develop your own style and also like see the different routes that other artists go with.
I think my favorite piece was probably my last piece, and it was called like Burning Rage, and I used a lot of mixed media, but with my last piece I like actually like burned the canvas and it like created a cool effect, and I was pretty happy in how it turned out, so yeah.
If you want to take AP Studio and have taken Art 3 and haven't put it on your schedule, make sure you fill out the form on your counseling website to change classes.
We're nearing the end of winter sports, but today boys varsity soccer will be playing in the CIF Central Section playoffs. The time and location is yet to be announced. This Thursday, girls varsity soccer will be playing in the CIF Central Section playoffs as well, so make sure to cheer on our Tigers. Now back to Angie and Ellie with lunch.
Thanks, Catherine. For lunch today, we have beef tacos, bean and cheese burrito, turkey and cheese sandwich, and our local cheese and cracker box.
On this day in history, in 1968, the 911 emergency system received its first official call. And by 1987, half of the population was using this system. Canada also chose 911 to adopt its official emergency number.
That's all for today, Tigers. Thanks for watching.